All right, so now I have this color. I'm so in love with this. I'm gonna do is like a switch orange. So all of the set for all the colors for 40 gels from the original 12 colors and the new 40 gels is back all full in stock. So check them out. And I'm going to use sweet orange, the colors. Thank you so much everyone for tuning in. So I am going to pick this. You can either doing it, pick out the beads first. I pick it up first, so then that way it's make it like really cool and fast. So when you're watching live, you don't have to wait for me to pick them up. So I will do is really simple flowers. So many requests for that flowers and so many questions for that flowers. I am loving that flowers as well. It's super simple. So I want to do 2 big petals first. So we'll do it like, you know, across from each other. So we're going to place ones right there. Okay. And then if it happened to you like this with sticks on your tips of your silicone brush, all you need to do using alcohol and wipe it off. Get alcohol. Oh. And then we'll pick another one. Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. And place it just across from each other. All right. So now if you feel anytime, if you feel your brush, your silicone to do an end brush is getting really like sticky, it's time to clean it up. You do not need to using alcohol to sculpting this flowers. So I'm gonna give it just a little bit form first. Doing this next one.
Peter, if you can see, just get out and come back in again. Usually they just refresh the stream for you.
And then do it again. So now you kind of get an idea of what it looks, and then you can go back and do it, make it like more like perfect the way you want it. Okay, where am I? All right. It's so high though.
And you bring it lower?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
And pull this whole thing down.
Just take it down right there. Okay, so now you can able to get adjusting it. And when you're happy with this, you can definitely really like a flash key it for good. Like
Good day, Melissa.
happy birthday. All right, so I'm gonna flash key this, and then we are going to do another layer. So don't have to worry, it's not going to cure until you are going to cure under LED lights. So you have so much time to play with this and to sculpt the way you want it. Okay, flash cue. All right, so then we are going to pick like a 4 smaller beads. Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm gonna do the same for all of you. It's just not sure if you are doing in the right angle, so you can do like 2 of this across from each other. And now press and release, press, and then let's go. Same thing with this. So the best way, if you are doing this and you're not sure, you're afraid of you're gonna mess it up if you are laying another layer or another bead. So the good tips you can definitely is flash key it really quick for 10 seconds and then move on to the next beads. All right, so I'm gonna flash key it really quick and then we move on to the next one. All right, welcome everyone to our live stream tutorial brought to you by Glitz Subscription Box. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you have a fabulous Tuesday and hope you enjoy the live stream. And then we are gonna, after 10 seconds, we are going to do a second beads, which is, if you see now, we have 2 big petals and then we have 4 petals inside. Just want a really simple way to do a super cute, easy flowers. You can see that is the tips get a little bit of 40, so make sure you are using alcohol with, I just have the piece of paper with alcohol here and just wipe it off. That's simple. You do not have to dip your silicone into the alcohol. It's going to dissolving your products. You don't want that. You want to keep it staying nice. So press down, really light touch. You don't need to be really heavy handed, just really gentle. You don't want to make your petals so thin. You want to still have it looks of like a texture of it. And press down if you're seeing that, and then we are going to release. I try to catching any question and all right. Happy with this? We are going to, wait a minute. Right here. All right. Here